Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to use back tap in iOS 14. With iOS 14, Apple has added a new feature under accessibility setting called back tap. You can use this to serve a list of different functions. Here's how to customize it. This is so far available on iPhone X and newer models including the 2020 SE model. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap. You have the option of double tap and triple tap. Click on either and select a function that fits your needs. Now simply double or triple tap the back of your phone while using the device normally and the selected action will be performed. This is a small but nice addition to getting even more control over your phone. You can even assign the taps to a shortcut to get your custom gesture tailored just for you. How are you going to use this? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.